Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of Grid Builder plugin tutorial series. In this episode, I will show you some interesting grid layout with our Grid Builder. So you can simply create advanced or complex grid layout with our Grid Builder. So we have created some advanced layout in our template library. So you can simply pick and use your site. So let's see how you can use our grid template or using Grid Builder to create advanced grid layouts. Under the Edit tab, you will see the nth item CSS, and for this grid, you can see the advanced or custom CSS, the grid row start, grid row in, and column start. So let's try remove this, and you see the normal grid. And we also use the display type grid and grid template columns, so you can increase or decrease the number of columns. So let's keep with the 3 columns. And you can target any element like the second or third element. So let's start with the second element or the first element. So let's add the grid template or grid start column. Grid column start and grid column in. So grid column start, like if you are targeting the first element, the number 1 element, so it should be start with 1 and end with the 3. So there is the 4 years. So here is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to count like this, the 1, 2, 3. So how you set to the last east of the first element, so it's called basically the span. Also you can target the second element of the second row, so it's basically 1, 2, 3 and 4 element, fourth element. So let's try set column start and column in. So we are on the 1 and 2 position, so it's basically need to set to 2 and in should be 4. So you see it's covered with the 4th span. So you see the grid is look like much better look. And here is the extra element, so you can simply set the post per page to adjust the number of items on your page. So you see the 4 item on the grid. So also you can set custom height for the grid item. So let's try add a max height for the grid item. So let's try add 300 pixel for the grid item height, so you see the much better looks for the grid or the advanced complex level. So by utilizing our nth item style or nth item CSS, you can create custom or advanced grid layout like this. So basically we have already added in our advanced layout in our grid templates, so you can simply pick to use our grid templates for your blog or portfolio or templates. So I hope you love this. Thank you so much.